Hey guys, if this video hits let's say 40 likes in 4 days, I'll get this microphone and yeah, make my videos a lot better. So
Hey everybody, Dirty Dan here. Well, today we're going to be taking a look at this Tyco Spirit of 76 C630 and getting her going. It was actually a chassis swap I did. I had a Chessie system 630, but this one didn't have a motor. I needed this more, so swapped the motors around. So now I have a Chessie shell, which is kind of cool because this is my only 630. So what we're going to do is take it all apart. I'm going to show you what's going on, and then I'm going to go fix what's wrong, clean everything, put it back together, put all the details back on, put some truck covers on it, and call it a day. So, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so damage report. So, everything looks pretty good. Commutator's a bit dirty. Typical grease in the motor. Vent holes are a bit blocked. Springs and brushes look really good. Those are going back in. That piece did break one of the clips, so we're gonna have to kind of super glue that piece on. No big deal. All the grease on this is really nasty. That's probably why it wasn't running right. You know, typical stuff. Very dirty back wheels. It probably wasn't getting pickup at all. So, let's get all this cleaned up, and I'm gonna get some really cool shots, up close shots of me wiping away the grease. I think some people might find that enjoyable. That might be pretty cool. So, yeah, let's do it. Okay, looks like that's not gonna work.
Hey, well, I'm a friendly stranger in the black sedan. Won't you hop inside my car? I got pictures, got candy, I'm a lovable man, and I can take you to the nearest star. I'm your vehicle, baby. I'll take you anywhere you wanna go. I'm your vehicle, woman. By now I'm sure you know that I love you, I need you, I want you, got to have your child. Great God in heaven, you know I love you. Hollywood. But if you wanna stay just like you are, you know I think you really should. I'm your vehicle, baby. I'll take you anywhere you wanna go. I'm your vehicle, woman. By now I'm sure you know that I love you, I need you, I want you, got to have your child. Great God in heaven, you know I love you. Oh, you know I do. Inside my car, I got pictures, candy, I'm a lovable man, and I can take you to the nearest star. I'm your vehicle, babe. I'll take you anywhere you wanna go. I'm your vehicle, woman. By now I'm sure you know that I love you, I need you, I want you, I got to have you. Great God in heaven, you know I love you. And I'm your vehicle, babe.
Okay, so after one massive dinner, a fishing trip, and a bunch of other work, the thing's finally done. And it looks beautiful, aside for the missing truck covers. I have them somewhere. I'll get them back on. It does have a horn. This thing is pretty cool. I'm really glad at how it turned out. And runs like really good. And look at it, it has momentum. So that's cool. There is something wrong with one of the gears, so I'll have to figure out that later. But, yeah. That's about it for this video. I mean, so somebody has just asked me, to do a video on an Atlantic, and at first I was confused, or they said E6, and I'm like, wait a minute, I don't have an E6, and then they're like, E6 Atlantic, and I'm like, oh, so, yeah, video on that coming soon, because I promised to make a video on it, never did, so, that's coming soon. So, everybody say bye.
Patrick.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes.
Bye.